Ever wondered how a Japanese chicken burger or a steak cheeseburger from Korean street food tastes like? The explosion of flavors, the texture, and the unique twist to the traditional burger that we all know and love. Today we're going to embark on a culinary journey, diving into the art of creating these two distinctive burgers, a journey that will tantalize your senses and make your taste buds dance. First, we're going to explore the Japanese chicken burger. Picture this. A juicy, succulent chicken patty marinated in teriyaki sauce, grilled to perfection, and sandwiched between two fluffy, lightly toasted buns. The chicken is first marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar, giving it a sweet yet tangy flavor. After being left to marinate, the chicken is grilled until it's perfectly browned and caramelized. Then it's layered with crisp lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, and a generous dollop of Japanese mayo, a condiment known for its creamy and umami-rich flavor. The burger is then completed with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, adding a delightful crunch and a nutty taste. Next, we move on to the steak cheeseburger, a popular item found on the bustling streets of Korea. This isn't your average cheeseburger. The steak is marinated in a blend of soy sauce, garlic, and Korean pear juice, which tenderizes the meat and adds a hint of sweetness. After marinating, the steak is seared on a hot grill, creating a beautifully charred crust. The steak is then layered onto a bun, topped with a slice of melted cheese, a dollop of tangy kimchi slaw, and a drizzle of gochujang sauce, a spicy, savory, and slightly sweet Korean condiment. The result is a burger that is a symphony of flavors: sweet, salty, tangy, and spicy, all in one bite. In summary, the Japanese chicken burger and the Korean steak cheeseburger are more than just fast food. They are a culinary experience. From the marination process that infuses the meat with flavor, to the unique toppings that add a burst of texture and taste, these burgers are a testament to the creativity and diversity of Asian cuisine. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or someone who simply enjoys a good burger, these delectable creations are sure to leave a lasting impression. So the next time you're craving a burger, why not try your hand at making one of these unique creations? You might just find your new favorite burger. And remember, the art of cooking is all about experimentation and fun, so don't be afraid to put your own twist on these recipes. Who knows, you might just create the next big thing in burgers.